Last year, it was speculated that Samsung might equip the Galaxy S23 with satellite connectivity for emergency calling and texting, comparable to the iPhone 14. However, that did not occur, and the Galaxy S23 lacks such feature for emergency services, although it is currently believed that Samsung will introduce satellite connectivity to its phones next year. According to TechRev, domestic smartphone makers are anticipated to launch a service next year that allows data communication between 5G phones and satellites. Because Samsung is the only major smartphone brand in South Korea after LG closed its smartphone operation, it is commonly assumed that Samsung would include satellite connectivity in its phones next year. Next year, a satellite communication standard is expected to be adopted, creating a path for improvements in this discipline. As a result, there is speculation that Samsung may include two-way satellite connectivity with the next Galaxy S24. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 used in Samsung's high-end phones introduced this year can connect to low Earth orbit satellites for emergency calling and messaging services, but the Galaxy S23 and Samsung's newest foldables Z Fold and Flip 5 lack satellite connectivity. Samsung said earlier this year that the satellite connectivity ecosystem isn't yet mature and that it will wait for the ecosystem to evolve before introducing the new feature. The South Korean corporation is claimed to be collaborating with Iridium Communications, which operates a low Earth orbit satellite network for emergency communications. In the first quarter of next year, the business is likely to launch the Galaxy S24. The S24 range is expected to arrive in two variants, one with an Exynos 2400 chip and the other with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU. If the S24 has satellite connectivity, the Exynos 2400 must also have the feature activated on the hardware level. Samsung created two-way satellite connectivity for Exynos processors, which might be utilized in the Galaxy S24. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.